Hello and welcome back to my channel, and today's video just is extremely special to me. All the thoughts that have helped me to keep going and losing 15 kgs are going to be right in front of you guys. I have uploaded my diet transformation journey and everything that has helped me. It will be on your screen right now. With all of that being said, let's just begin. Frankly speaking, all the thoughts that I'll be putting down here are extremely special and important to me. As a person, I have evolved a lot throughout this journey. My passion for fitness during this weight loss journey has drastically went north. All these thoughts are tiny mini just here and there that has kept me going. By the end of this video, I'm clearly sure that you will be psyched and all these thoughts are just going to be embedded in your mind just like mine. Towards the end, I have mentioned what just kept me going, and that one line and thing that has just been in my subconscious mind forever and ever. Since our ancestral age, the structure of our teeth just tells us everything what our body is meant for. It is meant for consuming raw vegetables and clean diet instead of the chevda and structure of our teeth are meant to consume dietary fibers, raw fruits and vegetables, which not only supplements our mind but at the same time nourishes our body. Humans need to give it a thought as to how organized and systematic the structure of our body is. We eat food, we digest food, energy is liberated and it's done. All the undigested food is then flushed out. The process is very and extremely simple, but we as humans contaminate by eating all sorts of junk and packaged products. Simple सी logical बात है, if you put diesel in a petrol car, the car will either stop, it will not work, or it will just not deliver what you want. Imagine a part of your body just shutting down and saying कि आज मुझसे काम नहीं होगा, I'm not going to do this. Just as we humans take the food we eat very leniently, imagine your body just shutting down, God forbid, or your organs just shutting down. The only message that I want to deliver in this point is that eat what your body needs. Do not eat what your body does not need. Eat right, exercise daily. Toxins just sit in your ovaries as cysts. They sit in your neck region as thyroid. They sit in your veins as blood pressure. They sit in your intestines, kidneys for God knows how long. Do you want that when you can give your 100% and eat right instead of eating all sorts of junk? Body renews a fracture, a scar on its own. It only requires proper time to heal or proper patience to heal. Do we rely on taste and pleasure for 6 seconds while it is going to sit in your intestines for 60 minutes, 60 years or 6 years? We don't know. In that completely shift on home cooked food and do not consume junk food. But it is up to you. Give it a thought. How you can, what you can do to give your 100% to your body. Smoking, marijuana, hookah, everything which we completely sometimes get dependent on for the release of happy hormones. Understand that our body is responsible on its own for renewing and doing things and releasing hormones, happy hormones on its own. We get dependent so much on these things which our body does not deserve. We become dependent on them and they become a part of our body which our body does not deserve. Addiction to these things and consumption of these things beyond a point just becomes extremely harmful for your body, and your body does not deserve black lungs if it can have clean lungs. There are enough evidences that they become a part of your life as addiction and they slowly decrease the span of your life. Why waste a life when you can live for 120 years, 115 years? That have kept me going is it takes time to build a masterpiece. It takes consistent effort to build a masterpiece. Exercise because you love your body, not because you hate it. Make it a reward for your body and do not make it a punishment for your body. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope it proved helpful to you. If it did, give it a like. Take care of your health. You get only one life.